Yo, what's happening? Man, we bike up in here with another one of them. Bang. I bet y'all don't know what's running behind me. Yeah, y'all don't know what's running behind me, but it's cool because I'm gonna tell you what's running behind me. But first, I want to say thank you. Hold on. I just want to say, I want to say thank you, man, for being here, for supporting me, liking, commenting, and subscribing, man. You know what I'm saying? All the new subscribers, y'all should consider. You know what I'm saying? Because it's finna get different. Fourth quarter, it's finna get different. I am Belo. I'm the owner of MayRose 94 Caprice LS Swap on 26-inch Ruchins. Yeah. And I got that old box right there that I'm finna bring out too. Her name is Etta James. The bubba name is MayRose. Yeah. So anyway, man, we down here at the shop. I'm finna pick up MayRose. But y'all see the red bird down here, the firebird down here. How did I get down here? Well, I didn't Uber. My mama didn't come get me. My daddy didn't come get me. Oh, Ashley decided she was gonna come and bring me down here to get MayRose. Y'all know where Ash drive, right? Ash drive that thing right there. Yes, she do. Yep. She drive that old Jeep there. So we got the Jeep out. We got MayRose out, man. Finna take it back to the house. Put her back in her bed. Cause she been sitting down here at the shop for a little while now. You know what I'm saying? We had to do that transmission and all that thing right there. So now, I'm finna go home, man, and get everything. Now, when I take it home, I can do everything that I need to do. You know what I'm saying? If I decide I want to wake up in the middle of the night, I think about something I want to come do it, I can do it. Instead of having to come all the way down here to the shop, I just go, you know what I'm saying? Pull up, get up, go in the garage, do what I gotta do, go get back in the bed. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, with that being said, yeah, man, look at the Jeep though. I just beamed it up. I did a half wash on it because it was just dusty. So I ain't really do a whole bunch. But yeah. Them 22s on them 35s, man. You know what I'm saying? It's with the fifth wheel now. Stop playing with it. Don't do me like that now. We got some upgrades coming for that too. It's being a Jeep right now and it's riding kind of wobbly, so we gotta figure that out. I think I'm gonna change the control arms on it all the way around, and then we'll go from there with it. But yeah, gonna do that, and yeah. So let me go ahead, gather up the fam, man. Try to make it on back out to the crib, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's exactly what we about to do. So let me do that. Hit y'all in a second. Gas station lights don't lie now. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. What's up? Car dirty, super dirty. It's all good though. What's up? Gotta get my baby home so she can get washed up and treated right. This junk her keep falling now. I gotta put some two-side tape on this, cause this junk her, I don't know why this junk all of a sudden just started falling. This done been up here I don't know how long now, it's all of a sudden falling. Crazy work. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Belo, Mr. Animated himself. Man, I'm coming to her. Just look, I just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there. Man, hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels, $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Mine Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Mine Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy those enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. Man, I had to pull up on Nick, man. Man, I can't even get the picture right. Sound like my cutout loose. Yeah, that cutout loose. Man, this one, her keep jumping out. I don't know why I keep jumping out. Don't worry about it. We at home now though, so we gonna fix everything. Kroger, man. Ooh, look at that lip. Look at that funny thing. Check it, baby. What that thing doing over there? Yes, sir. I just put a store on that jump, man. Hey, I see other traffic, man. Y'all better move. Get out the way. We just came through, man, acting up. Hey, but, man, something going on. My, I think my TPS sensor is bad on this junk, because that junk is acting real ugly right now. That junk acting so ugly. I'm finna get Nick. I'm finna let Nick get his pictures right quick. Nick, man, you been right off me. Another break. Shot a thugging too hard. Damn. Y'all know where we at though, man. We up at the spot, man. Y'all know what we got going on. So, let me, I guess he's gonna get his picture with her. I'm gonna go to the house. So. Yeah, we out though. Just in case y'all were wondering, we out though. We outside. I gotta turn my fog lights back on. I gotta get some more fog lights, cause actually just when her blinking, well, y'all know that already, but yeah, gotta watch this John. Look at that. That's John right back dirty. Y'all see this junk is not running right. This junk running crazy as hell. So, yeah. Wait on Nick to come out here and get his pictures, man, and then we gonna head to the Crizzo. Yeah. Baby is reunited. They reunited, man. Look at them. This is in here. How cozy like. Hold on, man. We got gas. We got gas station lights up in here, man. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, sir. Man, I just realized how much stuff I got in this garage, bro. A lot of this stuff is trash. I gotta throw it away, cause ain't no way, boy. I done accumulated all this stuff. But it's all good. It's all good, man. The babies are back in the garage, chilling. This is where they gonna be. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Y'all ain't already subscribed, please do so. Yeah, comment, talk to me, man. Talk to me. Comment, let me know something. Talk to me, man. I thought there was some smoke. I was like, where the smoke come from? Yeah, talk to me. Y'all comment, man. Do y'all thing, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to get better with the videos, man. Get better with the posting and all that. I know I say that all the time, but I'm really for real about it. You know what I'm saying? I got a couple more projects. We gotta work on this. We gotta work on this. We gotta work on the Redbird, Firebird, and we gotta work on the box, man. So y'all might wanna stay tuned to what we got going on. So, but with that being said, it's your dog, Big B-Lo, Mr. Ain't Man himself. I'll catch y'all in the next one, man.